Hello and welcome back to my channel again. So today we are going to learn about monophthong, diphthong and triphthong. So in learning numbers, these play a very important role. So before learning French numbers, go through this video and I have made number video in which I have explained the numbers according to the sound of diphthong, monophthong and triphthong. So go and watch that video for better understanding of pronunciation of numbers. So let's begin the video. What is monophthong? When in a word single vowel comes, that is monophthong. And when two vowels come, that is diphthong. And when three vowels come, we call it triphthongs. So first we will talk about monophthongs. For example, when ER, E is a vowel, when E vowel comes, that has sound A. So the word will be read as parler, to speak. Next is EZ. When E and Z comes together, then E has sound A, nay, means nose, nay. As I told you, E has sound A, so nay. CH, in French, CH never pronounced as ch. It is always pronounced as sh in French. So it is chaise, chair, chaise. Next, I am, IN, EM, EN, ENT, END, AN, ANT, AND, ON. These all will be read as O, nasal sound, O. Let's see the examples. First example is VENT, vent, means wind, vent. Second is GRAND, grand, big and tall. AVION, avion. INSTITUTE, institute. In where VN is EN is there, so O. EN has sound O. In grand, A and D is there, so grand. In avion, same rule applies for avion also. And in institute, IN is there, so O, institute. So these all has sound O in French. Next is diphthong. Diphthong is when two vowels come together. So let's see the examples. AU. AU has sound O. Shaw means hot. AI has sound A. Ale. Next is OU. It has sound U. So the word is jour. Second is OI. It has sound oa. Soir means evening. Next is UI. It has sound ui. The word is nui. Next is EI. EI has sound A. So the word is trace. Next is OE. OE has sound A. Word is soh, means sister. Next is EU. EU has sound A. Nuff means 9. Let's repeat it one more time. AU has sound O. So show. AI A. L. OU U. Juh. OI Oa. Soir. UI Ui. Nui. EI A. Treize. OE A. Soh. EU A. Nuff. Let's see the other examples for diphthongs. So tion and ssion. These both have sound sion. Preposition means prepositions. Ssion, the word is emission. Emission means program. Quee, k. The word will be read as k, meaning is tail. Qua is pronounced as ka, and the word is con, con, when. Next is QUI. The word is key, meaning is who. Next is diphthongs, when three vowels comes together. So the first word is EAU. When EAU comes together, these three vowels comes together, it has sound O. First is BEAU, bow, means handsome. Next is NOUVEAU, nouveau, new. Next is BUREAU, bureau. The sound is O, meaning is office. Les nombres, numbers. Let's discuss numbers in this video with the pronunciation. So first is zero, 0. Second is 1, a. 2 is the, because E and U has the sound a, and last consonant will not be pronounced. So the pronunciation will be the. Third is trois, trois, because O and I has the sound wa. So trois. 4 is quatre, quatre, because QUA has sound ka, ka. So it will be quatre. 5 is cinq, cinq. Now from number 6 to 10, there is exception in these numbers. So let's see. Number 6 is sees. Here X will be pronounced as je, sees. In number 7, P will be silent. So the pronunciation will be set, not sept, it is set. Next is wheat. Because as I told you in my previous videos that H is considered as vowel in French, so it is not pronounced. And U and I has sound ui. So the pronunciation will be wheat. Next is 9, nuff. Because in my previous video, I told you that when a word ends with consonant C, F or L, then it will be pronounced completely. So the pronunciation will be nuff. And last is these. These. X has the pronunciation of je, so these. Next, from number 11 to 16, all are ending with ZE, as you can see in the presentation. And at the end, we have vowel E. So it means we have to pronounce it completely. If you have not seen my previous video, please go and watch that video to make it clear to how to pronounce the French words and how to pronounce when we have vowels in a word. So 11 will be pronounced as ons. Number 12, do's, because O and U has the sound U. So do's. Number 13, threes. E and I has sound A. Threes. 14, 14. 15 is cans. 16, says. 17, these set. 18, these with. 19, these nuff. 20, when. When. Let's discuss it one more time. Zeho, de, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.